people who say they love to cook, but they're very quick to tell you that they're definitely not a baker. You know those ones? Well, I think that's because baking is more of a science than an art. With cooking, you can wing it and hope for the best, whereas with baking, that's slightly harder to do, which means you have to follow more rules, and that isn't for everyone. But I would argue that even if you don't think you're a baker, you'll be able to make these chocolate muffins.
These were meant to be normal sized, but I accidentally ordered these tiny skillets, so let's pretend that was the plan. Now, unlike your usual cookie dough, this one's a lot softer, so we get those chewy spoonfuls with the crispy sides. After creaming our sugars and butter, we're gonna mix in an egg and vanilla extract, then add our dry ingredients. I knew using a whisk was a bad idea when the dough clumped up inside it. Use a spatula, guys. Now the dough's ready, we're gonna add our chocolate chips and spread that onto our baby skillets. I think it looks really cute when there's a bit more chocolate on top. That's gonna bake in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and try not to fill your skillets all the way with dough or this will happen. Once they're ready, we can top them with ice cream and melted chocolate. I love how the chocolate hardens into a little dome you can smash with a spoon. The classic chocolate chip cookie is great, but this beats it for me. Welcome to episode 11 of the Ramadan series, and today we're making the toastiest almond croissants with Biscoff. As usual, you'll find the full recipe in the caption. So first we're going to toast our almond flour until it's nice and golden, then cream our butter and brown sugar to get it light and creamy. Now we're going to add our eggs and mix them in one at a time before adding almond extract, flour, salt, and our toasted almond flour. Cut open your stale croissants and brush them with simple syrup, then spread some of that almond cream and close them up. We're going to do the same thing on top and finish them off with some sliced almonds. Once they're toasted, give them a dusting of sugar and a drizzle of Biscoff butter. You can also pipe a little bit of that Biscoff butter onto your Biscoff cookies and stick them to your croissants, and you're done. I love pairing my croissants with a hot cup of coffee, and I can eat them morning, noon, and night.
These are the best chocolate